going to do a review on hidden crown extensions. I'm really excited to try these out. They are like a step above clip-in extensions. So they are semi-permanent, they are taken out daily. I've been dying to try this brand, so here we are. I just got it all in today. So I'm gonna show you what I got.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
And then I'm gonna put them in and show you guys how it looks. So this is the pamphlet that I got. So it gives you in-depth instructions, which is amazing, which I'm going to need for sure. It came with a comb that I'm going to need when I section my hair. And then what was really cool was they gave me not only the extension color that I got, but another that I can look at in the future that's really close to it as well. So I thought that was a really, really nice little feature to send me because, you know, sometimes you are not really thrilled with what you got or you want to change it up a little bit. So they gave me these 2 swatches, which I thought was really, really cool. So far, just even this sample hair feels really, really good. They also gave me a clip to use, which I'm probably gonna need more than these, but I've got lots. Obviously, I'm a hairstylist, so they also gave me this little tool, which I'm sure I'm going to need. It's really cute. It looks like a little plier. So I think I'm gonna have to use this when I clamp down the beads on the sides, from what I've read. So we will use that later. They also gave me this cool little bag that I can hang up and store my extensions, which is really, really nice because a lot of brands don't send you this. And to me, I don't know about other hairstylists out there or even clients, I have mounds of balls of hair in my bathroom cabinet that I don't even know what it is anymore. So that's nice to be able to keep it in a nice storage bag. And here are the extensions. I got the 22-inch layered balayaged hidden crown. So it's definitely the creme de la creme. It is the most pricey of the items, but I really, really wanted something that was gonna blend with my hair. My hair is not that long, so 22 inches on this length is, I need it to look blended. I didn't want it to look like, oh look, she's got extensions. So I'm gonna take these out and show you guys, and then I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I put them in so that you guys can do it. And they do have videos on their website, of course, that's gonna go into more detail. Oh look, they even gave me more of the wire and the beads that I'm going to need for this. So I'll definitely show you guys when it's all completed. And I have it in my hair. All right. So this is the hair. It feels so thick and shiny and it feels healthy. So I'm really excited so far. I don't see any split ends, which is really nice. I see that the ends are just as thick as the top, which is really, really nice because I think when you go cheaper on extensions, which again, these were not cheap, they tend to get really straggly on the bottom. So that's really, really nice that this is super thick from the root down to the ends. All right, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to put them in and then show you guys how I put mine in and how they blend. All right, let's do it.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I am back. I have put in my hair. It definitely took me a little longer than I thought. I left the string. I haven't cut it yet because I wanted to show you guys how I put it in. It is rather easy and simple. It feels pretty secure. I definitely wouldn't go, you know, running or anything with these in, but I think as a daily, you know, going out, I think that they're amazing. So I don't think it replaces my NBR extensions, which are nice because then I could sleep with them and wake up and they're still there. So this is something I would take out daily, but I think this is a great little extension, easy. I did the clip-ins and those were kind of like a pain in the butt. Just all the little sections, it was kind of annoying. This is like 2 seconds, it's in, done. So I did curl them just a little bit to give a little texture because definitely straight, I don't think it looked that blended, but however, the color is spot on for sure. Especially once I curled it, I could see all the layers that they had put in. So I love it. I love how thick it is on the bottom for sure. So I'm gonna take it out real quick because I wanna show you how I put them in. Boom. All right, so now they're out. There's a little fish, like a fish hook kind of wire, fishing reel wire in there. And there's a little micro bead. And then you're going to, it's like a pulley system. So you're gonna pull on this to make it tighter. So I adjusted it to my scalp. I'm gonna probably wear it for a little bit and then eventually cut this off because I don't wanna cut it off yet because this is really, really handy when I'm pulling it tight. So if I feel like it's too loose, I still have this to be able to pull on. If I just cut it, then I won't have that anymore. However, they did send backup, which is really, really nice, and I can see why, because if somebody just started to cut the wire and then they couldn't pull it up, then they'll probably have to put in a new wire. And where those went. My son was in here for a second. But anyways, regardless, they did send that, which was super cool. So now I'm gonna put it in. So I'm putting it in kind of like a headband. And when I feel like it feels pretty secure, I'll show you guys the back. If I can, put out my chair in the way. So I've got it right at the base, right at my knee, and then about 2 inches from my hairline. Then I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna pull out my hair all around. So from the back and the front so that I can't see that wire. Okay, and then I actually have my little wet brush here and I like to brush it to blend it a little bit better. And there we go. I mean, that was really super nice, super easy. Can't see that too much. I mean, it's really hard to do it in the camera, so I'll probably have to adjust it a little bit more. But it feels really, really good. It feels really, really blended. Again, I gotta cut this little wire out, but I love all the layers in here. This is definitely, it was worth the money to go a little extra to have a layered look. And then also, tidbit, if you're ever doing extensions, try to do the extra length. Like if you're in the middle of like, oh, you know, I think the 18-inch would be fine, but for a little bit more, you can get 22-inch. Then do the 22-inch. You can always cut it. And the thing is, like, as I curl these, as I flat iron these, the length is going to eventually move up. So it's always better to start off with more length than less length. But I really like these. I'm enjoying them. And I'll have it in the links below so that you guys can order it if you like. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'll have lots of hair tips for hairstylists and clients on here. Make sure you're following me on TikTok for sure, and Instagram and Facebook. I'm all over there. I'll put all the links in here, but make sure you press that little subscribe button for sure. All right, y'all, have a blessed, beautiful day and enjoy your extensions.
Every single day